The warmest of welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. I'm Peter Drury, and here with me in the commentary box, I'm glad to report, is Jim Beglin.
Cheers, Peter. It's a privilege to be here. It really is.
And so, the distinctive sound of the UEFA Champions League anthem. Here are the lineups we've just been given. So it's away we go then. Now the pass. It is a corner, good chance. Looks like a good ball through. Forward it goes. He's made sure that that won't get through. Can he score? Away from immediate danger. It's gone out for a throw-in. And back to base. Going for goal! He's got away with one there.
Well, this is how to grab a game by the scruff of its neck. Front foot football with real intent.
Thrust towards the front line. Chan cuts it out. Aimed long and direct. Pumps it upfield. Passes it through. Gets it upfield. Looks to slip it through. Chan. Plays it out to the wing. Still goalless at the moment. Pushes it out wide. Turns and goes back. Spoon forward. Chan gets it back. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? They've managed to get it away. And that's a throw-in. Gets it into the middle. And out to safety. Good defending there, they've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. Oh, good interception. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Keeper's got good distance on that. And the counter is on. He's away! Oh, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. And here's the chance to counter. Tries a through ball. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Out to the flank. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Well, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again.
Well, we were unlikely to see a goal then because there were so many players crowding out that danger area. I think something very special was going to be needed.
Now here's the through ball. It's a loose ball. Battles to win it back. Tries the route one option. Goes long and forward. Tries a through ball. Drills one in. Tries to get it forward quickly. And he has been fouled there. Just a talking to, I think. Yes, it is. Now the pass. Good save, really well read. Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Much more than a routine save for me, and yet he just coped with room to spare.
Ball's loose, who's getting there? Passes it through. Face to face with the keeper. There it is! There is the breakthrough! Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
There's the whistle for half-time.
I'm sure they'll be very happy with their first half performance and the scoreline. They'll definitely want to maintain their momentum now and finish the job.
Leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. That gets things going for the second half.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Looks like a good ball through. Another piece of really good defending. Looks to slip it through. Tries a through ball. Played it out wide, but the less said about that pass, the better. Shoots! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, I can only add that he's got reflexes that are in perfect working order, Peter. That was very good to watch.
Passes it through. Shoots! And in it goes!
And it's another really good show of character. I love the spirit and togetherness they muster. You never know when they're beaten.
Even some of the opposing fans are clapping that. You just have to appreciate it.
Well, the ball flight may be unpredictable, but the predictable part was the technique. It screamed goal all the way.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Look, get your seatbelts on because this is showing all the signs of another roller coaster ride.
Tries a long pass towards the front.
Well, goals change games, and now that parity has been restored early in this half too, this game could take off in a direction they weren't expecting, and the next phase of play requires a stronger rearguard action from them now.
Kings it out wide. Gets into some space. Referee's given a throw.
This defence just doesn't trust itself to play a higher line.
Frighten the people getting in behind.
Yeah, absolutely. It just opens up the opportunity of not only strikers getting behind, but the runners from midfield too.
Looks like a good ball through. Now the pass. And a second time. Goal! FC Copenhagen! And the comeback is complete. He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Well, to his credit, he managed to ghost into space to finish things off, but the failure to spot him was ghastly defence.
Copenhagen go into the lead.
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
Danger averted for now. It's gone a long way up and away. Who's ball? Who's going to get there? Well, that's not the cross he had in mind. Looks like a good ball through. He's put it on the right now. What's on? It's come loose. Floats one over. Tries a through ball. Should have put that one away.
What a massive let-off that was. They're still in it, but this could be pivotal.
Oh, he really wanted that.
It's tremendous play on his part, Peter, and he's proving to be a right handful throughout the game.
Who's going to make this theirs? Passes it through. Oh, good stop, it had to be. The home support won't enjoy that.
Yeah, he knew only too well that to concede then would have been tough to recover from. That could prove a big moment in this game.
Oh, that's great stuff from him.
Well, he went at it with great confidence, and it's not going to stop him from trying again.
That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, now that he scored, this defence is on high alert whenever he goes anywhere near the ball.
Copenhagen have a sub ready to come on.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
There were better options before the ball was lost. Easy to say from up here, I know. Shoots! No mistake! They have stolen level at the last! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal. Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
So all square with almost no time remaining. All the way back and they start again. None shall pass, that's the message there. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. It's an untidy challenge, free kick given. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket, it's just a stern lecture. Looks to slip it through. Ball driven towards the far post. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. He's tried one! The last act of a game which they chased to the very end. It finishes all square, but boy, they were close to snatching it. A game chock full of moments and talking points. It could have gone either way, but chose in the end to share its spoils. It ends in a highly entertaining draw. Well, after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
Listen, the more this game went on, a draw was always likely to be on the card. So overall, I don't think anyone will be complaining too much about what they've got.
Well, that's it for tonight's match. So it just remains for me to thank Jim Beglin alongside me and to wish you all a very good evening.